In the real estate world, potential buyers and sellers can quickly go online and find insights on home prices, features, and locations. A well-implemented real estate CRM tool can help you juggle hundreds, if not thousands, of leads. You can build better customer relationships, have better lead conversion rates, and increase your customer loyalty. Client insights. Each client has specific needs and reasons for entering the real estate market. While a client may provide you with some information, you can gain additional insights from online behavior and enrich their profiles with additional public data. You're probably using social media for real estate marketing and to engage with your clients. A CRM tool can pull back social media profile information. This helps you gain insight into the person in ways that may not otherwise come up in conversation. You can also gain insights by tracking a lead's behavior on your IDX website. Knowing what properties were viewed and what links are clicked tells you a lot about what that potential client is seeking. If you have reactions, favorites, or other website tools, you should keep that information with each client's profile. Putting all this information together into a CRM will help you know what steps to take next. Lead behavior routing. If you're working with a team, you want to pair your leads with the right agent for that client's needs. Certain agents may have expertise by geographical area, price point, or client niche. With a real estate CRM, you can automatically route leads to different agents. You should create criteria that make sense for your team. You'll improve the relationships by ensuring your leads are matched with the best agent possible. Your team will have more accountability with automated routing. You won't have to worry about a lead slipping through the cracks. Leads will get in front of the right person, so the follow-up happens quickly. If you manage your own leads, you can use rules within a CRM to follow up with leads based on different behaviors. Think about your potential clients and how you identify and follow up with a hot lead versus someone who is just browsing. Personalize your contact. Automatic collection of information and assigning agents are great for some of the upfront work, but the way you'll connect and build relationships with your client over time is by adding that personal touch. Within a CRM, you'll want to keep notes that you can add to the profile of any client or potential client. When you ask those critical questions about wants and needs, you'll want to add this information to that person's profile. That way, next time you speak, you can show that you listened and you care. Your CRM should also keep all your correspondence in one place. From automated drip emails to one-to-one emails to phone calls. You want to know when you last connected with that client and why. Automate your emails. With so many leads to nurture, the correspondence can be overwhelming. From alerts of new properties that match their criteria to autoresponders for scheduled showing, the emails and texts can be endless. Fortunately, Customer Relationship Management, CRM, with email automation is relatively simple. You can still personalize the message based on the client, but the task does not have to be tedious. Using a combination of a modern IDX and real estate CRM, you can automatically send emails to clients based on the criteria you define. Showcase IDX offers a free light CRM solution to effortlessly manage your opportunities with integrations with thousands of other technology tools through Zapier. You can start engaging with your website's visitors by creating a free trial account today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.